Hello everyone, and welcome to our first video of free neuropathology layout. We will mainly use Microsoft Word for the process. Before doing the real layout, we need to clean up the manuscript, checking the orthography, for example, the use of white spaces, hyphens, special characters, and symbols, and so on. The clean manuscript is extremely important because it's the base of the PDF version and the website version of our paper. Where can we find the manuscript? We need the copy edited version. That's on the workflow, copy editing, and at the bottom. Click to download it. I already did it. So this is our copy edited manuscript. Well, first of all, we need to copy it because we will do some changes and we want to keep a copy of the original one. We just name it copy edited and then this copy edited clean. The first step, we need to accept all the changes from copy editor and delete the comments. That will be in review. I'll accept all changes. And you can see that there's still white column here because there are some comments. We can delete the comments without any worry because the comments are not really gone. Remember the copy we just saved? The original copy edited version, we will keep it for the author to check later. But this original version of copy edited manuscript, the only thing we need to change is maybe to take the figures out of the document because sometimes the figures are so big and the document will be so big that the email system cannot send this anymore. How to do it? For example, let's find one figure like this. We need to quit the track changes status first and delete it. Just like that and save. And we do this to all of the figures. Yeah, let's see, the copy edited manuscript without figures are much smaller than the one with. Okay, this is the copy edited clean document. There's a comment, we delete it. We can also jump next here. Yeah, this is not usually not for me as layout maker to decide. The author need to check if they want to accept a comment or not, or if they want to change anything. Okay, if we see that the white column is gone, now we know all the comments are removed and all the changes are accepted. So now we can officially start. Next, we need to disable automatic hyphenation because we will do this manually. We can find this on the paragraph, line and page breaks. Here, don't hyphenate. And then we need to select the entire document using Control A and set the proofing language to English. Yeah, it's really English. Otherwise, we can still change here. English. Okay, good. This will make the spell checker in Word check the whole text according to English spelling rules. So if the author used some academic writing software with a function generating bibliography automatically or inserting formats, these parts will be fields. I have here two examples for us. This is the example for citation. Okay, you can see that in the main text, for example here, the 5. Yeah, if we see something like this, that means it's a field. So all of the citation numbers are in fields. And I guess also the list at the end. Yeah, the whole thing, they are in fields. And there's another example for formals. Here, like here too. Yes, all of them are all fields. The problem is the fields cannot be selected and edited together with other normal text. That will be a big problem for us. So we need to eliminate them at this stage. For example, if we this shortcut, for example, let's do select it and Control Shift F9. Yeah, it's still there. Sometimes it doesn't work. It happened to me several times. I wrote a script to do this, to load the script. I think developer, basic, Visual Basic. We need to insert a module and put my code in it. Yes. And we run this. Run. Okay, after running, we can see that they are all just normal text now. In worst case scenario, we need to manually copy the things in the fields out and paste them as pure text. Most papers don't have any field. You may want to skip this step, but then you could regret this and have to redo a lot of changes if you find out that the paper does contain fields somewhere at the end. So it is definitely recommended to eliminate the fields as early as possible. While deleting all the fields, we are also making all of the links not working anymore. So afterwards, we need to reactivate them by adding a space behind them and delete it backwards. So if you press space here, it will be converted into a useful link that you can directly click on it if you press Ctrl and right click. Yeah, so, but then we added a new space here. If we try to delete this space like normally, yeah, it works. We can also delete it backwards.